I lay down what is not for me. Every way, every old memory, at your feet where my striving ends. You receive me as a friend. I lay down what is not for me, Lord. You are enough. In your grace I find my rest when the road is rough. Hands lifted high, my soul forever free. Jesus, you sustain me. You're forever